There is an hidden meaning of being stuck, because there is no such a thing of being stuck. We are never stuck. So I want to challenge you the way how you right now are seeing and feeling of being stuck. There is a hidden part. It's very subtle that you might not pay attention to it. So let me tell you this. When we feel like being stuck, we are not truly stuck. We are postponing or preventing ourselves to act in something that we know we have to act on, but in reality, we are afraid. We are freaking out. So the being stuck is actually you being afraid to take the step that you know you have to take, which is perceived as I'm stuck. Why? Because it's the actual resistance to the action that you have to take. Okay? So when you resist to act on something, you're frozen. And when you're frozen, you're stuck. You perceive being stuck, but you are not. So let me ask you this. What is that thing that you truly know within yourself? You have this inner knowing. You know. There is something within you that knows that. What is the thing that you know you have to do, but you're freaking out? You are afraid. There is a part of you that truly want to do that, that knows that this is the right things to do, but the other side, which is the heart. But then there is the mind that freaks out, that is afraid, that wants you in your comfort zone because doing that thing is uncomfortable. It's scary because you've never done before, or because there is a part of you that needs to be seen and you are afraid of judgment or being seen, whatever it might be. Or simply you're just afraid to take a step that you've never done before because you don't know what's in the other side. So think about this. Is anything coming to your mind right now? Is something that you know you have to do, but you're not doing? That resisting is being stuck. But being stuck is not like actually stuck. It's the way you perceive the fact that you are resisting what you have to do instead. Think about this. Now, this happened to me so many times, and I know this phase very well because I have been stuck multiple times in different phases, especially during my inner transformation in the past 6 years. But if I had to give you an example, the most recent one and the most related with what I'm doing right now, it's YouTube. For such a long time, I knew I had to put myself out there. I knew I needed to use my voice. I knew I needed to share what I've been learning and experiencing during this past 6 years. But I was freaking out because this is a new part of me, the me that nobody ever seen before. It's the part of me that was always suppressed, more in depth, more vulnerable and authentic. This is a part of me that not really the people around me never seen before. So I was freaking out. And for so long, months and years, I postponed this. I suppressed this. I was resisting it actually. And for quite some time, I felt stuck because there was my mind telling me, don't do it, what about this and what about that, it's too uncomfortable and this and this and that. That's the mind. But then there was my heart was pulling me toward that thing. I know I have to do that, I know I'm ready now, that's the moment. But I was freaking out. So my nervous system didn't catch up with this new identity that I was in. And so there is this battle. And between this battle, there is a massive resistance. This resistance is perceived stuck. But was I truly stuck? No. It was my choice of being there. It was my choice not saying yes to this and not to that. It was my choice, unconsciously or consciously, staying there in the middle. That's why I'm telling you, what do you need to do truly that you are not doing? So I don't want to make this video too long. I think this is enough. Take this and start reflecting, because you need to get honest with yourself if you want to unstuck yourself. I hope this video was helpful. Reflect on it and see you in the next one. Bye.